VLOOKUP in Excel is repeating the same value even though if it is applied in the correct way. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to resolve this annoying error that let's say that in this scenario we have taken an example of the item code, and against item code we have these product names. So let's say we have created an invoice, right? So this is the invoice format, and I have mentioned some of the items that I have sold to the customer. But what I want is, I want that whenever I write any item code, it should show the description and the price of, let's say, that product. So what we will do is, we have mentioned a couple of products, right? So we will apply a VLOOKUP. I'm just showing you so that we can see that we are either applying it in the same way or not. So VLOOKUP, lookup value is this. I have to find the description of this product, comma, table array. Table array, that means from which table do you want to extract this data? So this is the table, comma, and I want to extract it from column 2, and it should be an exact match. Hit enter. Now first it seems like it has extracted the data properly, but when we drag it, it is extracting the same value even though we have applied it perfectly. So what is the issue? Now you might be confused that you are checking the formula again and again. Formula is totally fine. What you have to do is just go to the formulas and check your calculation options. Now sometimes what happens is, it is set to manual. You have to set it to automatic, and that way you can resolve your problem, and immediately you can see that even we don't need to apply it again. It has immediately calculated all of the descriptions and showed it correctly. So this is the quick and simple solution. Now, if you want to see more advanced techniques of Excel, you can join the playlist link in the description. Also, if you want to join our complete course from basic to advanced, you can also find the course link in the description as well. So this is it. I hope this was helpful. And if it was, just mention down in the comment if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.